Today is a moment that will be eternally etched in your heart, for the celestial message your angel is transmitting is of unparalleled grandeur. Be ready to embark on an exciting and extraordinary journey, a journey that will take you to heights of growth and success that until now seemed unattainable. It's as if the entire cosmos is conspiring to turn your dreams into reality, illuminating the path ahead of you with the brilliance of the stars, showing you that you are loved and deserving of all the care the universe has to offer. Are you ready to accept and receive with an open heart? Then say yes and allow the magic to happen. Under the starry mantle of the night sky, where each celestial glow radiates a unique intensity, and the moon, faithful witness to the spectacle of emotions, the message from your angel resonates with a grandeur that rivals the vastness of the cosmos. It is a revelation as profound as the immensity of the universe. Someone you never imagined, a treasure hidden in the folds of destiny, longs to share the rest of the journey by your side. But that's not all. This person wishes to dive headfirst into the experience of your life, enveloping you with all the love you've always longed for. It is a commitment that transcends time, an eternal promise that shines like an inextinguishable flame. The passion this person has for you cannot be contained by mere words. It is a fire that consumes hearts and illuminates the darkest corners of the path towards eternal love. In front of you, there stands a crossroads of inestimable importance. The decision to embark on this relationship and weave this sweeping love story, capable of filling the voids in your existential puzzle, is like finding the final piece to complete the picture and restart the game of life alongside the right person, uniting destinies indelibly. This choice, without a shadow of a doubt, is among the most crucial you will face throughout your earthly journey. It requires not only deep reflection, but an incursion into the most intimate recesses of your soul, as if deciphering the most primordial enigmas of the universe. The one who proposes to share their life with you has not only chosen to walk beside you, but also aims to be the guiding star that casts clarity on the path of this journey called life, outlining a shared destiny marked by the light of affection and complicity. The duality of having two paths before you, both representing situations of profound importance and capable of promoting deep transformations in your life, can be perceived as a challenge of cosmic proportions. The sensation of being at a crossroads, with both options longing to share eternity by your side, can generate a storm of emotions in your heart, where anxiety and anguish intertwine like tumultuous waves threatening to flood your soul. However, amidst this emotional storm, it is crucial to remember that you do not hold absolute control over the feelings of the other person. It is not your responsibility to force yourself to love someone just because that person longs for you, for true love cannot be coerced. It is a spontaneous gift that springs from the innermost being. At the crossroads of life, where destiny bifurcates and horizons expand, the most important thing is to discern with wisdom and courage which path will lead to your genuine and full happiness. In this crucial moment, amidst the whirlwind of emotions and expectations, the time has come to dive deeply into the core of your own feelings, devoid of fears and apprehensions, and make a decision that resonates with your most authentic essence. You hold the power of choice, an inalienable freedom that allows you to chart the course of your romantic destiny. However, remember, love transcends mere emotional experience. It is a journey of conscious commitment that shapes not only your own destiny, but also those intertwined in the fabric of your existence. Therefore, each decision must be made with due awareness and responsibility, as it emanates ramifications that will echo through the ages. When making your choice, let yourself be guided by the symphony of your heart, by the rhythm that echoes in unison with your soul. Choose the person whose presence makes your heart dance with joy, someone with whom you envision not only sharing the ephemeral moments of the present, but also building a future full of shared dreams and mutual achievements. Beyond physical attraction, which, although relevant, should not be the sole criterion, also consider the emotional harmony and values you share, for how can two walk together unless they are agreed? This is a crucial point that deserves your most careful attention. Trust, firm as the foundation of a solid building, is the vital element of any lasting relationship. Therefore, choose someone in whom you can place your full trust, someone who not only warms your heart, but is also worthy of your deepest trust, someone in whom you can trust not only with your love, but also with your life. For it is in the careful and conscious choice of a partner that lies the key to building a full and lasting romantic future, where the foundations of affection and trust support the home of shared happiness. Understand that the love someone has for you, no matter how intense and genuine, does not in itself constitute a guarantee that this person is the right choice for your destiny. It is not just about accepting any partner as a journey companion, but about discerning carefully who deserves to occupy such a significant place in your life. The foundations of lasting relationships go beyond the waves of love that permeate the heart. They are erected on the solid foundation of harmony of goals, visions of the future, and shared life values, essential elements that provide support and depth to this new connection. Your soulmate is not only the one who fills the empty spaces in your existence, but also the one who understands and respects your most intimate aspirations. It is someone who not only walks beside you, but also drives you to reach the highest heights of self-knowledge and personal growth. It is a partner who, instead of limiting your ambitions, nurtures and strengthens them, enabling you to flourish and become the best version of yourself. Although this crossroads may, at first glance, seem like a storm of emotions that threatens to destabilize even the most resilient hearts, it is imperative that you open yourself to the possibility of an honest and sincere conversation with this person who holds such a significant place in your life. It is time to strip away social masks, abandon pretenses, and delve deeply into the truth of what you feel. Be honest with yourself and with the other person, for honesty is the foundation upon which mutual trust is built, essential for any lasting and meaningful relationship. Even if the outcome of this conversation does not exactly match your deepest expectations, know that clarity and transparency are the pillars upon which the most authentic and profound bonds are erected. In the unfolding of this dialogue, allow yourself to flow with the current of words, without clinging to preconceived expectations or selfish desires. This is the moment to listen with an open heart, to capture not only the words that echo in the air, but also the subtle vibrations of the soul. For, at the core of your being, resides the answer you seek, guided by the gentle whisper of your intuition and the rhythmic pulse of your most primal instinct. Remember that the decision at this crossroads is not just a momentary choice, but a journey that will shape the contours of your existence forever. It is a path that unfolds before you, whose ramifications will echo through time. Therefore, dive into this decision-making process with the wisdom that only time and experience can grant. Let the light of your intuition guide your steps, illuminating the way toward the decision that resonates with the deepest truth of your being. The right choice, the one made with discernment and clarity of purpose, will bring with it a partner who not only loves you but also surrounds you with unwavering dedication. This will be someone who will not hesitate to stand by your side in times of tribulation, whose support will be the shield that protects you from life's storms. In moments of celebration, this companion will be there to share your joy, multiplying it with shared smiles and warm embraces. More than that, he will make you feel truly valued and loved, like a precious jewel in his heart. This is the kind of partner whose support is like a bright beacon, guiding you through the turbulent waters of existence towards the safe shore of your highest dreams and aspirations. Whether in the pursuit of professional success, the achievement of personal goals, or the simple journey of self-discovery, this companion will be by your side, lifting you when necessary, encouraging you when disheartened, and celebrating each accomplishment with you. With him, you not only share life but build a legacy of love, complicity, and fulfillment that transcends the limits of time and space. So, choose with a light heart, confident that the right partner awaits you at the end of this journey of discovery and authenticity. The ideal partner is not only someone who shares your moments of happiness, but also someone who stands by your side in moments of vulnerability, when you need to strip away social masks and reveal your true essence. It is someone with whom you can be completely authentic, without fearing rejection or judgment. In the depths of this relationship, you find a safe harbor where you can anchor your soul, a sacred space where each sigh, each laugh, and each tear is welcomed with understanding and unconditional love. In this communion of souls, you discover that true intimacy does not reside only in physical proximity, but in the emotional and spiritual connection that transcends the limits of time and space. It is a delicate dance of mutual trust and unconditional acceptance, where each reveals themselves to the other without reservations, finding in each other's arms the comfort and security that only true love can provide. By sharing your deepest dreams, your most fervent hopes, and your darkest fears, you encounter a powerful truth. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness but a sublime expression of courage and authenticity. It is in the moments when you allow yourself to be completely transparent, without masks or artifices, that the true essence of your being shines with incomparable intensity. It is through these moments of radical honesty that the foundations of your relationship are firmed, transforming it into an impenetrable fortress before the vicissitudes of existence. In these moments of profound connection, you and your partner find yourselves at the epicenter of a celestial dance, where each word, each glance, and each touch is imbued with meaning and purpose. It is a journey of mutual discovery, where superficial layers are stripped away to reveal the intrinsic beauty and complexity of each soul. It is in this space of surrender and acceptance that the bonds of love are strengthened, intertwining in an indissoluble manner and resistant to the test of time. Therefore, in this transcendental moment of your life, when the stars seem to align in your favor, claim this choice with all the conviction that dwells in your core. Let the certainty of your heart guide your steps, leading you to the arms of the one who understands your deepest essence and loves you unconditionally. For it is in mutual acceptance, shared vulnerability, and mutual trust that the true essence of enduring and meaningful love resides.